Hi everyone, welcome to the Easy Learn channel. Today I want to show you how you can prepare a video for uploading on Instagram or YouTube Shorts. The video to be uploaded on Instagram or YouTube Shorts must have an aspect ratio of 9:16. For this purpose, we use Video Proc Vlogger software. This software is free. Well, first we open the desired video. We want the subject inside the red frame to be displayed. Well, open the software. From the video resolution section, choose 1080 by 1920 with aspect ratio 9:16. Click on New Project. Drag the video file and drop it in this section. Drag the video to the timeline. Zoom in on the timeline. Click on Motion. Place the playhead on the first frame and click on Add Keyframe. Click on the Frame Control section. Choose 9:16 from the Aspect Ratio section. Now set the box like this, so that the main object is placed in the center. Now move the playhead to the end and then click on Add Keyframe. Adjust the box again so that the main object is in the center. Bring the playhead to first. Go forward frame by frame and create a new keyframe wherever the object goes out of the box and then adjust the box. Continue this until the end of the video. I added 29 keyframes. Now play the video. Click on Apply. Now go to the Transform section and click on Hide to make the video fit to screen. Finally, click on Export. You can choose the desired format from the Format section. From the Quality section, you can increase or decrease the quality of the output file. Finally, click on Start. The operation was completed successfully. Let's check the output video file. This video is ready to be uploaded on Instagram or YouTube Shorts. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. By joining my Telegram channel, you can find out about my latest published videos. Thanks for watching this video.